Question number 91 of the ID Passport exam from PhilNITS. We are now in the strategy portion of the exam. In this question, we are being asked, which of the following is a term that refers to something that is modeled on the mechanism of a human brain and imitated with a computer program? Let's highlight a few keywords. We want to model the mechanism of a human brain and it's imitated with a computer program. The way to answer this is to quickly read the choices. A while ago, actually, I was answering this and I chose the correct answer. Not too difficult, I think. I was able to answer this rather quickly. I think about half a year ago too, I got the correct answer, which is neural network. And I think the reason why I was able to answer it is because neural, we know, is something related to the brain, and we want to form a network um, of the human brain because we want to model the mechanism of how the human brain works using a computer. And from our understanding, the human brain works in such a way that it uses a network and signals pass through the network. And from that, we know whether something is as emotionally positive or something that we'll need to logically think about and stuff like that. If you don't know what a neural network is, you can just look at the other choices available. For example, social network, which is kind of like a neural network too, except that instead of brain signals or brain nodes, you got human nodes, maybe your friends or maybe your colleagues, your coworkers, and they interact with one another. So we know what a social network is from that type of idea, which I think people these days would also be aware about already. But in this case, because we're going for modeling the mechanism of human brain, um, this isn't really the best answer. The other choices, letter B, for example, saying digital transformation. What that means is if your organization is using paper-based forms, then transforming that system to use digital, I think would be what digital transformation would be referring to. And in this case, we're not going for that one. The last one, letter D, is saying brainstorming. It has the word brain, but just like what we learned about brainstorming from the other questions, it's a way to get ideas. And um, in the case of class, where you got a group of students who can share ideas, and there's no one who will be shooting down their ideas, so that in the end we'll get a huge number of ideas, things that students might be interested in working on after the brainstorming session. And I think that's one way we can really understand the things that the students may want to do for the class. But in this case, because we need to model the mechanism of human brain, it seems like even though it has the word brain, this is not the best answer. In the end, neural network is really the answer for this question.